घर पे
My dear ones, whatever you are, but it is confirmed that you are very important for me. And in this class, we have some new students from the batch of B23, and one of them is Aditya, and the other one is Aditya is from Jaipur.
सर दूसरा आदित्य आगे क्लास में
Yes. And the other one is Ritvik from Bhopal, MP. And Aryan, too near to me, from Malvinagar, Jaipur, from 5 number sector. And the other one is Anupam from Agra Road, near Pagrana. And rest of you are old or older or oldest student.
सर आप एड्रेस क्यों बता रहे थे
So that you can know all the detail.
सर हमें नहीं
You are a very curious child. You can ask me anything. And you know that the younger sister is trying to be the elder sister of Gaurav. In some ways, I think that she behaves like like her elder sister. So,
सर मैं हर थोड़ी ना हूँ
but I am right. She behaves like her younger brother.
सर फिर शी क्यों आया
Or Anjali.
अरे हर क्यों आया
She is your Didi.
अच्छा
You are her younger brother?
हाँ
No, I am not younger brother. Then what?
अरे हाँ हूँ ना सर
Yeah, good boy. It is better for every brother follow the sisters, whether they are younger or elder. So, you know, today is Saturday, and as usual, you know very well that we have a tradition from the beginning. From the beginning, we have only 6 classes on Saturdays, and there is no regular class. The students of all the batches come together in this batch. And here we have a speaking session to all. So today I observed that the number of the students is very low. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students only. Okay, no problem. So my dear ones, as you know and all know that there is an activity that we all like too much. And please, no need to write the names so early. And there is an activity that we like the most. I think that you all like the most that activity. And sometimes in your have gone under that activity? You all, and you like that very much. Can you guess it?
Sir, watching mobile, I
Mm-hmm.
think.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, playing game.
Sorry.
Sir, playing games.
Anything else? If I propose you to come with me for 3, 4 days or 7 days on an outer trip, would you like it or not?
Yes,
Would
sir.
you would you prefer it
Of course, sir.
rather than your mobiles or playing games or anything else? Would you like to go with me
Yes, sir, we would
Yes,
like.
sir.
to visit the different places of our country or of our state? And there are many people who are fond of exploring the new places, and for this they have to go to different places. And for some other regions also, we go to different places for religious reasons, for our official work, for our study purpose, for any marriage. So sometimes, now and then, you go under such activity that is called journey. So, you know, journey is a great thing. I don't know about you, but I like it the most. I like to go to different places and explore them. And there may be different means of the journey. Like you may go by train, by air, by your own taxi or car, and it may be any type of place. It may be near or far, but I think you like it the most. And definitely in your life, you would have any incident or any chance to go somewhere. So this is today's topic, that is called journey. This is for the students of B20 and 21, and but for the students of B23, if they like, if they can, they are welcome to speak on the topic, that is journey. But if they like to speak on some other topic, but if they like to speak about themselves, means if Aryan wants to speak about him, about his father, about his class, anything else, like Aditya, because he is a new student, I can't expect to compare with you. So if they like, they can speak on different topic. They can like, they if they like, they can speak on the same topic as that is of today. And if they think that they can't speak anymore, then they can keep quiet. But they must listen to the students. And this I am addressing to the students of B23, that these all the students of these classes, like Gaurav, I think he has been here for more than 1 year. Am I right, Gaurav? Yes. Lakshmi, more than 1 year. Khushi, more than 1 year. Rakshit, more than I think 3 or 4 years. And right now he is the oldest student of these classes. Anuj, it has been more than 1 year. And who is there? I think this is Ronak, but Ronak is new student, and Anupam is also new student. So there are so many other students. There are so many other students who are new, but you must make it sure that the old students, when they came here, they were just like you. But now You can see that they are speaking well on any topic. So you have to get motivation from them. And those who want to speak in anything, matlab not, this is not for the students of B20 or B21, for the new student. It is mandatory for the old students to speak on the same topic that has been given to you. But the students of B23, they can remain quiet. They can speak on any topic. So all are instructed to write their names in the message box. Please search in your mobile phone. There would be a switch to write the messages on the on your app, and you can write down there your names. This is for the students of new batch, and I think this is a good thing. That yes, very good. Oh, what is this? Who is this? Who is this? I am sure to make. Where is this man? Who is this?
सर वो गलती से क्लिपबोर्ड में आ
This
गया
is
था
not your
हमने
गलती. तुम्हारा तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा, कोई झाड़ा वाड़ा लगाना पड़ेगा मुझे तुम्हारा अभी. वो बहुत ये downloading into message. Look, you are, but you are very cute. बेटा जिस दिन आ जा तू किसी दिन जवाहर सर्किल पे, फिर बात करूं तेरे से मैं. बेटा इतने ही डॉट नहीं लगाऊं तो बोलना मेरे को. तो अब देखो मैं ढूंढता ही जा रहा हूँ. इतने डॉट लगा दिए इसने भाई ने, इसका नाम भी पता नहीं चल रहा है अब कहाँ है इसका नाम. So okay, and what Rakshit, what have you written it? Black hole. What is this? This is not the topic, black hole. And Gaurav, from Gaurav's ID, there is the name of Anju. Anjali, are you ready to speak?
उससे पहले तो मेरा नाम है ना
गया
सर.
वो तो डॉट से पहले, गाय खा गई.
अरे नहीं, डॉट ब्लैक होल के बाद भी तो है.
कहाँ है ब्लैक होल के बाद? ब्लैक होल के बाद तो गौरव मीणा की आईडी से लिखा हुआ है.
सर इन माय नेम.
Okay, Gaurav. Yes, your name. I will definitely call your name, Ritvik. And you know that there is a student, Ritvik, and I am trying to bring in your batches.
Yes
I
sir.
told him to. Ritvik, I asked you to tell your father to talk to me after 8 o'clock.
Sir, I have told my father, but he cannot talk. He is in office. That's
Sorry?
why. Sir, he is in the office. That's why he cannot talk to you. Today he will talk.
At 8 p.m.
Today he will talk, sir. Today is holiday.
Anytime. Whenever he gets time, he can call me. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. And I am trying to bring this student with you to get ready for a new challenge.
Okay, sir.
Ritvik from Bhopal. I'm trying to bring this student with you so early after talking to his father. So, okay, Gaurav, come on today's topic. Hurry up.
Yes sir. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is about journey. So sir, can I tell my one trip?
Anything. You can also describe your experience if you have any.
Okay sir.
Come on.
So I will tell the experience. One of my best trips I ever had is my trip to Mount Abu. We visited Mount Abu with car because there were no airports nearby.
कार क्या होता है? कार को लेके गया था उठा के गोदी में.
We by car.
फिर थोड़ा ठीक हो जा. आया कर, एक तो रोजाना गर्मी पड़ रही है आजकल.
अरे सर
नहाया हूँ तो फिर विद कार का मतलब तो हो गया जैसे बैग में रख के ले जा रहा है या उसको बगल में उठा के लेके चल दिया. बाई कार आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? कर क्या रहा है तू? कटिंग करवा जाना कल.
अरे सर 1 महीने पहले तो
तेरे बाल देख कैसे हो रहे हैं, बिल्कुल तेनालीराम जैसे. बोल आगे.
मैं इसमें क्या गलती करूं?
तेरी गलती नहीं, मैं बताऊंगा तेरे को. बोल अभी तो तू बोल.
So in that trip, the passengers were me, my parents, Anjali and Priya Didi also.
हाँ.
So we stayed in a hotel called. Wait, let me recall the name. How's the resort? Arud. Arunachal, something like that.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Resort. Arunachal Pradesh, nahi, not Pradesh. Resort. So on the first day we visited the temple of like the deity there, Shiv Baba, and Madhu Didi and Priya Didi had told me
Was they also
about
with you?
him. Madhu Didi, no, not Madhu Didi. Priya Didi was.
Okay.
So she told me earlier, means very earlier, about Shiv Baba and how they went to Mount Abu by bus and the stories and the folk tales of their village and blah 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 blah.
What is this blah blah blah? Blah blah blah.
That was too much
Okay.
that Priya Didi told me about her village.
Okay.
So on the second day we all just we reached at the resort late at night, like uh 12 a.m. or something in the night. So at that time we were playing in the garden of that resort and chilling, and Priya Didi were meditating there. Was
वर्क फ्रॉम का ध्यान रखो.
was meditating there also. But uh, on the second day, we visited the mountains, the tea gardens, and the Brahma temple there. And also, I liked that how Hinduism is explained there. So, in like, I can't describe it.
That is how.
Huh. And also the view was like astonishing there. And when we entered the mountain ranges, the road was like Maggie, not spaghetti. It was like Maggie, and we were just at the risk of falling in the cliff. We were just like some centimeters away from the cliff. And after that trip, the feeling of falling down the cliff by car was in Nainital in summer 2025. We went, but this time Priya Didi was not with us. In, she was in hostel, so like. But I consider Mount Abu my best trip, in which Priya Didi was with us. So that's it. Thanks, sir.
Shabash, very good. Yes, come on, Anju.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is my best journey or my journey. So, my latest journey is Nainital, Jaisalmer, and that is called my best trip because we got 10 hours to go Jaisalmer and come to Jaipur from Jaisalmer. And we started our trip at 3 or 3:30 a.m. at night, at 30 a.m. at morning time. And the first time we saw rising sun, but in moving car. When I saw that time, that how much time will take to go to Jaisalmer. 10 hours, and I was shocked that how it can, because I don't know the time and how much time it will take. But whereas I was shocked, and I was saying I am sleeping for 10 hours also.
Use the correct form of verb. Mind the verb forms. It is for all. Yes, come on. Carry on.
Okay, sir. So and I was saying that, and my water was, we take 2 bottles of water. We have to take almost 2 bottles of 5+ bottles in that.
Hmm.
And we are, and at the one time I was in the car and sleeping. My father, mother, and Gaurav gone fro- gone to the gone from the car and parked at that where they gone. And when I wake up, that I वो मतलब so कैसे कहूँ, उसने गेट बंद किया, मेरे को आवाज आई और वो भाग गया फिर.
I couldn't hear the sound of closing the door and he ran away.
I couldn't hear the closing door voice
Okay.
sound,
And he ran away.
and he ran away. When I wake up, wasn't that where they gone? And then how they can left me? When I said that father's phone is here, Gaurav's phone is here, my mom's phone is here. When I got cool, and when my mom came, I was like, thank you. And mom said that they gone to for washroom at the break.
Correct.
Went
washroom का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा.
home a break. And that one thing that we take blanket
Took.
for our trip in car. And
Work from
we
के अलावा
took-
सब सही बोल रहे हो आप. Your work from is not
then
correct. Other things are okay. Yes, come on.
we couldn't sit at that blanket because that is too तो मोटे को क्या बोलेंगे, मतलब मोटा है रहता है, मतलब बहुत मोटी थी रहता है.
Thick. The blanket
It's too
was
big,
thick.
big, thick,
Thick.
thick, thick blanket, and we can't sit. If we put the blanket there, it will fall down and will go and dirty. So we can't. And when my mom said you can sit on that, my father said that you sit at that window. I want to see what is going on. पीछे मतलब behind. And that was that when we reached the hotel, that was a tent hotel. That's amazing. And when we enter, there was a sand. Where activities? Only sand. Camel, sand, road, hotel. Nothing. And my father said that we will go tomorrow for the activities and vagera. So at second day, we went to the desert, and the driver was running the too fast car. As a jeep it called. And I can't speak. I was speechless. How can I speak? I can't say wow. That moment. And when the car stopped, me and Gaurav was saying that thank God the car stops. When we do camel riding, and we drive a car and a small car. So we go the car as छोटी सी car. We went to a car.
Work from पे focus करो थोड़ा सा.
We ate food there, and there's a Labubu. I have that Labubu Labubu जैसा टोपा that I have a Labubu hat. So I don't know where it gone, but when that is all was on that sand. I went there 4 times. When I saw that when I realized that why I can't see, I am blind or what? I'm blind or what?
Mm.
And we came back at 2 days or one week and 3 days, and we gone on my mother's birthday time, the December time, and we explored the Jaisalmer, and I love this. I enjoy the trip. So this is my best trip experience. So that's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that is journey. So we know that what is journey? Journey. The word journey can be described in many meanings, like the journey to build a career, the journey to visit a place, and etc. There are many types of journey. It depends upon you. That it depends upon us that how we take this word. Uh, so but mostly we call journey when we visit some place. So, and we know that when we visit some place for the purpose of tourism, mostly it is a great feeling for us because we get a new environment by visiting a place and a new feeling about that, a new feeling inside us by visiting the place, like and like when like I want to tell my journey when I visited South India and Andaman and Nicobar Island, where no doubt I had a lot of enjoyment and fun, but also when I was visiting the place with my family, I got I got a different feeling there, a feeling of peace, and a feeling of fulfillment, etc. And there is a different feeling than I have at my home, because that place was new for me and my family, and and we know that whenever we visit a place, we know about that place, and we get and we feel peace there, and we also admire that place for its uh, for its uh, uh, for its things, and and uh, also there is the journey of spirituality, like when we visit a temple, that is also that is also a journey of peace and fulfillment, where we go to a temple and worship god and goddesses, and where where we get positive energy inside us, and throw out the negative energies, and um, so we know that there are so we know that journey is very important in a person's life. A person leads his life by living by going in different journeys, and everyone should try to experience a live journey in which he or she is going. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. Keep it up, beta. Yes. Come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is a journey. So, what to say? The definition of journey is the act of traveling from one place to another, and usually on land. So, I just got it. So, I also have a journey to share with, because it was to remember for me. So the journey starts. It's not a too big journey. It's a day. It's a journey a day within. So it starts
I think
with
you are describing your past.
yeah.
Keep mind the verb form.
Okay, sir. So it was monsoon in 2024, and I and my friend were going to our school for like a timetable or something. And we just decided, we were not in the school uniform, we were casual. So we just decided to go to like Govind Devji, and we were on cycle. So we just started going towards the location. So it was not. It was decided that we were going to the temple, but the adventure comes after that. So we peacefully visited the temple, and we thought that it's monsoon and it's greenery everywhere. So we should attempt. We should have attempt to go to like where Nahargarh Fort, the highest peak of Jaipur. So we decided to go to Nahargarh Fort's peak with cycle. I repeat, with cycle.
Cycle.
Yes, sir, bicycle. So the climax comes when I would say that it was Ekadashi that day, and we were having fast. So we didn't drink about one sip of water whole day, and we just started going towards the peak, the fort. So we just started going, and there were two turns and two ups and downs, and I knew that it's too high to be reached. It was too high to be reached, but whenever my
Okay.
what
Carry on.
but I knew that it's too high. It was too high, but I was telling my friend that it was gonna like we were about to get it, and I was I was not making him down. Like I was praising that we can do this and just go. So we just go. Then like we took I mean 1 hour to reach the highest peak, and we reached there. And the first thing what we did was to drink the water, a lot of water. So we reached there, and we drank a lot of water, and we were having conversation that it was not decided, and we had come yet. So it was for me like it was a journey to remember. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Nice performance, Anush. Keep it up. Yes, come on, Lakshmi. This is what I always say you speak English as you wish. What is there in your mind, you must take it out by using this language. Okay, so now Lakshmi, come on.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, my topic is about my journey. As you know that there are many type of journeys like life journey, and whenever we go any new places, that is called a journey. And we can get many things from journey, like we can learn many things about historical places, and about many learned person, and our knowledge also increase by visiting new place. And I am telling about my journey. When I was in 11th class, I went with my friend to Chittorgarh with
Shabash, beta.
by my school, and it was my best journey with my friends. And first of all I went to Chittorgarh, and it was my it was it was within in 4 or 5 days. And I stayed with my friend in Chittorgarh and
Shabash, beta.
other many places
Very good.
in 4 or 5 days. And I I knew about Chittorgarh, and about their about their kings and queens, etc. And then I went to Kumbhalgarh with my school friends, and I saw Kumbhalgarh, and I knew about Kumbhalgarh,
Hmm.
and I saw biodiver I saw biodiversity from Kumbhalgarh fort, and there were many people, and this this is famous for its design and etc.
बहुत
And
बढ़िया, very good बेटा, शाबाश. हाँ.
then I went to Samaria set, and I I I went there, and I saw it is a big temple, and I prayed there, and then I went to Siroi, and there I saw the weather of mountains, and I saw many big mountains, and I like mountains, and I would like to go again there. That's why I I I am happy that I can go there in next year. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, very good. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बस ठीक है. Nice performance. Keep it up. Yes, come on now, Ritvik. This is a new student for us. Come on, Ritvik.
Hello, my name is Ritvik. I am a student of 5th class. My journey name is Journey to uh, a park. I went to the park with my friends on a school trip. There I enjoy many slides and play games. There we uh, mm, play so many games. And for our past, then we ate our lunch, and
Come on. शाबाश. Very nice. Very
And,
good, बेटा. हाँ.
and set our camp there.
हाँ.
Uh, then when it is 6 p.m., then we sit into the bus and return to the home. Thank you.
शाबाश बेटा. Very good. Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. Very good बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
Good going बेटा. Definitely. Will give a good result to us. बेटा शाबाश बेटा. और आप लोग भी लिखो, आर्यन लोग कुछ तो लिखो, अपने बारे में ही 4 लाइन बोल देना. क्यों आर्यन? आदित्य, अपने बारे में ही अपना नाम बता देना, कितनी तुम्हारी एज है यही बता देना. रौनक, तुम भी 4 लाइन अपने बारे में ही बोल देना बेटा. और क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना. बस लिख दो अपने नाम. तुम भी आ जाओ, हमारे साथ शामिल हो जाओ. तुम भी come on. This is also a type of journey that we are having. You are also with me on a journey of learning English. This is the journey of English learning. So very good, shabash Ritvik, very good beta. Now I am calling Khushi. Aja beta.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. Myself, Khush Gujjar. I'm telling about my little journey. After my sister marries, I went to her in-laws' house. Her in-laws' house is so beautiful, and because there are many mountains, so the view is so wonderful, and I visit many temples with her in-laws family.
Youth pastors
And visited.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
And I went to Sri Devnarayan temple. I think I went there as a child, or now I saw there there are many facilities and a lot of facilities has been set up there, and it was great for me. And next day I went to Chot Mata temple. You know very well, the temple on situated on the hill, to the hills, and I saw there many things, and it was great for me. And through my sister, I visited many places with her, and that's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा था, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यही तो चाहिए हमारे को, और क्या चाहिए हमारे को, है ना? वेरी गुड, शाबाश। कौन है ये गौरव मीणा की आईडी से? तू कुटेगा छोरा, किसी दिन मेरे को मिल गया तो, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ मैं तेरे को। हाँ, दांत मत दिखा तू, दांत दिखा रहा है अभी। काजल आजा बेटा।
सर वो मेरी जीमेल है।
तेरी जीमेल है ना? अभी रुक जा, मैं जीमेल वालों से बात करता हूँ आज, गूगल वालों से डायरेक्ट बात करता हूँ मैं, है ना? गूगल में भी है मेरा एक बच्चा है, मेरा एक, मैं जरा उससे बात करता हूँ आज। तुम्हारे सारे ब्लॉक करवाता हूँ मैं, तुम्हारे जितने भी तुम्हारे गूगल से रिलेटेड चीजें। आ जा बेटा काजल। काजल, आई थिंक द टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ।
सर
Is the topic clear to you, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is my journey. So, I want to tell you all that I didn't remember about my journey because when I was when I was little, I went
आवाज small,
for
not little. I was younger. I was young, not little, beta, है ना बेटा? Little has
Okay.
different meaning. Come on, beta, carry on.
When I was small, and I went for many time for traveling, and but now I didn't remember about my journey. So I can't tell you about my journey, but I can explain my whenever I go outside, and I by bus and trains, how I can tell about my experience of my journey. So I want to tell you that when we go outside, and if we traveling any one place to another place, and between these uh, minutes, hours, when we go or we go or location where we go outside, and we learn many things in way, and I want to tell you that journey is very important for all people, because we should go outside, and it refresh our mind, and we can learn many things, and we can know about many things, and we can know about people, which types of people is belong in our society, and we can learn many things, and how to travel. We can learn how to travel, and we can learn many things, and I think you all know that about these things, and in the last, I want to say that journey is very important,
and we should keep continue. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. यस आदित्य, आओ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is about journey. And journey is very nice for me and all, not me, all of you, and our other people, because we learn so new things and so many new things about our history and that means journey means not we go anywhere and we see any historical thing. Journey means we learn new things and discuss about who make it and how it and uh, who design it. So so I tell about Ajanta and Ellora cave. Ajanta is famous for their paints, because now you go to Ajanta caves, you see the Bodh Dharam statues, and you see that the colors of that statues uh, does not सब फीका पड़ने का मतलब
Fate.
they are not fake, and we think that thing how this that paint make and so many things. And then you go Ellora, we see uh, so many art of rock, so many statues about our dharma,
Religion.
yeah, about our religion. And the journey is very nice for me. I do so many journeys. I go Ajmer, and when on that time I am a karate I am a player. That time I feel so much happy and know all things about how my seniors fight against to their enemy, etc. So 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 I learned so many things, and now my journey is not end. I do so many things in my life, and journey is not a short. Our life a journey.
Very
Journey and
good.
life
Shabash. Our life is a journey. Very good. Very good. Shabash beta.
and we face so many things in this journey, and we learn so many things. Like now we learn English. So that is a point, that is a station where our train stop, and we learn so many things. Yes, sir, that's it.
Shabash. Very good beta. Very good beta. Just come on, switch your cameras on, all of you. तो नए स्टूडेंट्स बोलना चाहते हो बेटा? आर्यन, आदित्य, रौनक, कुछ एक दो लाइन अपने बारे में? कुछ नहीं? ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बस ये भरोसा रखो कि जैसे ये बोल रहे हैं ना, वैसे आप भी बोलोगे एक दिन. बस आपको जो कहता जाऊं करते जाना. ओके बेटा, सबका हो गया? कोई रहा तो नहीं? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.